Have you ever wondered how we can make a 3D view of an area without any DEM layer, or exaggerate a feature on Earth and make a clip out of it in QGIS? If not, this video is for you. Hi folks, welcome to another episode. Hope you're doing good. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to view any area of the world in 3D within QGIS using an online elevation model overlaid on Google satellite imagery, without needing to download or add a DEM layer. This method is quick, simple, and very useful for GIS projects. If you are a GIS user, you'll notice that ArcScene will do the same, but how about QGIS? Let's find out. Before jumping in, I want you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. You're supporting us a lot by doing this. Thank you so much. Now let's see what's ahead of us. Okay, first we need QGIS. In the previous video, I showed you how to download and install the latest version of it. Alright, as the first step, we need a Basemap. So I'm going to add one using the Quick Map Services plugin. If you haven't added this useful plugin to your QGIS yet, watch the most downloaded QGIS plugin video on the channel. You'll find out how to download and add it. By the way, it needs activation, so it might be a little tricky to activate. In the video, we've covered it all. I'll go with Google Satellite Imagery here. Okay, this is the imported base map. Now I zoom to a random area to find a feature on Earth. This mountain over here looks fine. Next, we need to change the view to 3D. To do so, I go to the View tab, and from the 3D Map Views, I click New 3D Map View, because I want to create a 3D view out of this scene. It can also be reached by pressing Ctrl-Alt-M on your keyboard. A new window will open in which we can view the area in 3D. Let me maximize it. Okay, in this window, there's an option called 3D Configuration. It's right here. I click on it. I choose Terrain and set the type to Online option. Then apply and OK it. By using this option, we can display the digital elevation model of anywhere online. The scene on the Earth's surface turned into a 3D model. Now if I shift, you'll see it. You can use the mouse to move around the area and make the necessary adjustments. As you can see, it's in 3D now. You can also use this navigator to move around. You can also view the camera specifications as well as the compass. In the same way, you can create a 3D animation of the desired area. Just change the view and set keyframes. And you'll get something like this. You can export it if you'd like to. There's also this export option, which you can save an image of the area. Just name the file and hit save. That's it. There are a bunch of options too that you can enable or disable. Things like 2D map aligned with 3D map, adding shadows, and so on. Back to the 3D configuration, many changes can be applied. Lights, effects, camera, and such. You can change them all on your own based on your desire. But one of the most important changes is the vertical scale. By increasing this number, the vertical exaggeration will increase. As you can see, the mountain peak now has very high vertical exaggeration. Alright guys, I'll try to show you how we can use these 3D options in real projects in future videos. But for now, we are done here. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Until the next one, stay safe.